Let's look at a table where we need totals for each region, which is Southeast region here for each quarter. And then we also need for each of the rows here. So for each region, we need a year total, which is this. And we also need a quarterly total, which is this for across all the regions. So we need it both ways. So the green ones as well as the yellow ones. Similarly, in the Northeast region, we have three regions: Boston, Hartford, and Bangor. And total, we need total for the entire year. And also we need it for each quarter, right? And then at the bottom, we also need a grand total. Now the question here is, how many sums do you need to do? How many times do you need to do a sum? Or even if you were to do an AutoSum, how many times would you need to do? Very often, we have seen people doing individual AutoSums here, then copying it, pasting it across, or doing an AutoSum, then pasting it all the way down, doing an AutoSum here, and then doing an AutoSum here, and then doing this. No, you don't need to do it that way. The best way to do this is the first one would be this, and then you press Alt plus equal to, which is your AutoSum shortcut. So you get this entire row and column total. Repeat the steps for this one, the green and the yellow one, selecting the green and the yellow. So you get a total here. And then select the entire table and do an AutoSum. And there you will get your entire table. So you need to do the AutoSum only 3 times. If you need the AutoSum for yellow, green, and the blue rows. Okay. Now, let's look at another example. Here you have 2 sets of tables, similar data, but 2 sets of tables. You see there's a gap in between. So you could have multiple tables like this. So in that case, what you need to do here as well is you select this, press the Control button, and select this region. And then hit AutoSum. You're done. Okay. And then if you need an AutoSum at this level, you do another AutoSum and you'd get your entire column total. So that's it for now. Hope you have understood a new way of doing and a fun way of doing AutoSum.